Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get Google Gemini Pro for free. So if you're a student and you want to use it for research, or maybe you just want to use it for any other purpose, in this video I'll show you how you can get the Google Gemini Pro for free. So first you have to make sure you have the Google Gemini app. If so, then simply click onto its icon to open the Google Gemini. Once it gets open, on the top you will see your plan. If you don't have the Pro and you want to get it for free, then you have to click onto your latest version, whatever you have. Simply click onto it, and after that you will see the option for Google Pro AI. If you want to get the Google Gemini, then you have to get the Google AI Pro. As you click onto it, you will see you can get the Gemini Pro for free for a whole month. So you have to simply click onto this option, get offer, and you will be able to enjoy the Google Gemini Pro for free for a whole month. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.